What's up, you guys? Today I'm coming to you with a popular request, Essentia. Did you know that they made $192 million in 2020 just by adding baking soda? Check this out. What's up, you guys? So popular request, like I was saying, Essentia here. So we're gonna pour a little bit over here just to show you. Right here, we're gonna show you, does it make that instant green tea or not? Which it does not. Of course, mine will always do that. Right here, my water, links in the bio. Just click on that, give me a call, text, whatever's easiest for you. You'll see here that instant green tea. You can check that out. And I'll pour some of that over here. And then I'm gonna show you a couple of things. First and foremost, does this have any electrical charge? No, it's just dead water. So you're just paying for this expensive water that they call alkaline. Over here, lights up instantly, brain and your heart fire off of that electricity, all of your cells. Really, really, really important is the ORP meter. Now this is the oxidation reduction potential, or the potential to reduce oxidation in your body. That's why we eat fruits and veggies, things of that nature. But if you're not drinking the right water, then it's not delivering that correctly in your body. Now check this out. Look at that, negative 850 almost. Wow, 800, 810. So imagine pumping your body with that every single day, all day long. Now I got the pH drops. Obviously we got that dark purple over here. And then we're gonna get like this bluish kind of color. Now, of course you can see the big difference. So it's not even really actually alkaline, but check this out. Look at that, fake stuff, adding baking soda, trash. Structured water, see, big difference. Now, change of water changes everything. Now, watch this too. Let's see if I can pull this off. Got tap water over here. Let's add this, some baking soda, do some drops real quick. Boom, look at that, Essentia, just saved you $1,000. Give me a follow, share this, like this, and stop drinking this fake stuff, okay?